Alright, we are doing the Hooker Valley track. We're at Mount Cook. You can kind of see the glacier in the background. But we are a little bit sore today from our big hike yesterday at Ben Lomond. So thankful that this is going to be a very chill hour and a half walk down to the Hooker Lake. So stay tuned.
So we're here and we're going to take Hooker Valley track to Hooker Lake.
At Mount Cook. It's actually pretty warm here today. It's about high 70s right now. Although there is a hole in the ozone above New Zealand which causes a lot more UV light to enter. So the sun is very intense here. We actually got a little bit burned yesterday despite putting a lot of sunscreen on. We got a lot of sunscreen on again today to avoid getting further burnt. It's actually very interesting when you're driving and around every single day because there's so much UV. It stays very light, very late here. So even 8 p.m. is shockingly light. It feels kind of like 5 p.m. back in the States in summertime. So it's very, very light, very, very late here. So that helps for our driving and our days as well. Made it across. It is very interesting because you drive on the left side of the road here, you also walk on the left side of the street. And so it is, although driving has been a pretty easy adjustment to be able to drive on the left side of the road, walking has not. It is a very instinctive just to walk on the right side of the street like we do in the States. And so it has been a bit of a transition to remember to always be on the left side of the... Coming up on the second suspension bridge. Can't get much prettier.
And I could totally go swimming in that river right now. I'm so warm.
It's pretty insane actually. The bridge is moving a lot and we are high. Wow, that was pretty gnarly.
Definitely more than 20 people on that bridge.
We can officially see Mount Cook. You got a feeling it's right over that mountain there is the lake. Alright, we're on our third suspension bridge. Not quite as high this time. We're at the lake. It's only about 3 degrees Celsius. So I'd venture to say that's high 30s in Fahrenheit. So here's Mount Cook. Highest mountain in New Zealand. Just under 4,000 meters.
Oh wow, that is cold.
That's so cold. Only up to my calves.
My legs are going numb.
It feels good, despite only being in the 30s. It's pretty hot here today with the sun. This water is very cold as I swim with icebergs. Alright, we're heading back down. Got a little waterfall coming down from the glacier.
Yeah, there's lots of glaciers up here. It's actually really cool. It's one of the most up close.
That's a little high. He just prayed to the good Lord that these cables don't snap and that we're all good to go. Nelly Furtado. Look at that shot. That's spectacular. Got all the glacier water with the glaciers. Crossing back over the first one. Just finishing up our hike here. You can see Mount Cook over there. We're just getting back
Look at that stone statue.
to the
I've never
car.
seen that before.
Hike was pretty easy. Just a lot of rolling hills. No steep incline. Ended up being about 6 miles and took us about the 3 hours that they thought it was going to take.
The Glacier Lake felt phenomenal.
Yes,
My
it did.
whole body temperature was totally different. It was
I-
like a gigantic pool.
I could use it again, to be honest. And there's the car park. Another successful hike. Only in the books.
Cougar Valley Track.
Alright, and we're back at our car. It's a good day, good hike.
Yeah, that was great.